Hi everyone, here we've got a ULEFONE Note 8P and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. And here we have to find the display option, so let's tap on it. Now let's enter the wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. At the very top we've got our own gallery, and under it we've got the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So let me pick this option, and as you can see, as I said, here we've got some defaultly installed options from which we can choose. What's more, if you've changed your mind, you can just tap on My Photos and then you will be transferred to the gallery. If you want to, you can check the preview just by tapping on the option, and as you can see it immediately appears right here. So let's pick, for example, maybe this one, and if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply tap on the set wallpaper in the left corner. And right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we just got back to the albums, so let's check, and as you can see it is visible on the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.